everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge Star, Continuous Knowledge Excellence. My name is Nisha Masroor. In this video, we will get to know about what is the scenario of women's health in India. Now, Dr. Usha Chanda, President of Nursing Research Society of India, NRSI, will explain you in detail about this topic. So, to get complete information, watch full video without skip.
I would like to walk you through the olden times. In Indian mythology, women were very, very powerful. You see Radha Krishna, Sita Ram, Uma Mahesh. The woman was always before the man. And the status was very, very high. You name any older in Indian mythology specifically, they were powerful. And the social impact and their empowerment must have made a good status of them. But today's scenario is not very encouraging. In today's world, the woman health status, their social status, the empowerment is very, very different. If you see worldwide, the developing and developed country has a great divide. To the extent the life expectancy of women in developing country was 80 years in 2011, which was only 46 in African countries. Similarly, if you see 90% of maternal mortality worldwide is in the developing countries. And in India, further you will see there is a urban and a rural divide. The urban and rural statistics is so very different. The urban community of women doesn't have much access to health and their health status is very, very low.
Wait. Are you worried about your project, training, dissertation, internship? Don't think too much because Nanoscience and Technology Consortium, in short NSTC, is giving you a golden opportunity to do the same tasks. NSTC also conducts workshops on amazing topics. So if you want to register in the workshop, the registration link is given in the description box below, or you may go to the website www.nanoschool.in where you can easily enroll in the workshops. So just check it out right now.
The health status of a woman or their scenario is not only because the health, it has various other factors which impacts their health, like decision making power, their empowerment, financial power of the family. So they have so many factors which impact their health. So in the world and in India, if you see the both, there is a big gap between the developed and developing countries and least developed countries. Similarly, urban and rural part of India. We used to think the scenario was that non-communicable diseases, specifically cardiovascular diseases, more among male. Many of us had thought. Today it is not the same. Women are even more prone to get cardiovascular diseases. So the scenario is changing. What was traditionally earlier, maternal mortality and other things, women are even having those diseases which were not there earlier, they have, because their living style has changed a lot. Their lifestyle has changed. They are equally going shoulder to shoulder to earn the finances for the family, but her role in the family is not much changed. We all had experienced that, and because of that she has a double triple burden of the problem, or the family, taking care of family has increased. It all will impact her mental health, her physical health, her spiritual health. Every time it will affect. So the scenario is not very, very encouraging for women.
I hope you liked the video. To get connected, subscribe to the channel Knowledge Star and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. And if you want to see more videos like this, do comment. We will definitely reach out to you. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the links shown on the screen to stay connected.